transitioning the company. So in the last video, we discussed and considered some of the paperwork. Today, we're going to focus on the transition of your business to the new owner. So what you want to do is you want to create a transition plan. So this is going to be a detailed plan. It's essential. It's going to have the timeline, key milestones, and responsibilities. So for example, it's going to be very specific that, day one, here's what happens. Day 5, here's what happens. Day 10, and so that way you can onboard the new owner to effectively have his team manage your division of his company, and create an optimum success for it. So a big thing that's going to happen is the new owner is going to want your employees to be followed through during the transition. And some of the keys on that is communicating effectively and addressing their concerns as they come along. You're going to be providing training and support. The new owner is going to be providing some different set of training and support. So one great friend of mine, Matt Ricketts and Better Life Maids, what he did is when he acquires some companies is he focuses on the employee satisfaction and training the new teammates how the Better Life Made system is and around their core values and their operations. So that way he can help retain those people and help them enjoy working with his company and helping the seller get a much better value for the company because the teammates are supported. So you want to look for a seller that's going to support your staff, help your current staff to sustain a great relationship. Another thing you're going to want to do is maintaining customer relationships. During this transition phase, you want to communicate effectively with customers, addressing their concerns and helping ensure the continuity of their service. And this will also help again, customer loyalty. The more that the customers and the more that the teammates stick with the new owner, the better value you're going to grab from your company. And so you want to gradually transfer over the responsibilities to the new leadership staff, to the new owner and the people that he has put in place for it. By doing this, it's going to help ensure a smooth transition and things go up to speed. And then the last step of it is finalizing the legal documents, transfer of ownership, and celebrate the successful sale. So again, with these, what you want to do first is you want to create the plan and then have it to where the teammates know what's happening, that they feel supported. The clients know that they're supported and they appreciate it. And then you're going to have it to where the documentation is signed and you're going to hand over the operations to the new person. And so by doing that step and doing it in that order, first, again, create the plan, have the teammates know they're supported and having a great training thing for the teammates to feel that they're supported, maintaining customer relationships, and then having the legal documentations, and lastly, handing over the operations completely. That's going to help you and the buyer have an amazing experience. In the next video, what we're going to talk about is post-sale considerations. I only got 2 videos left. And thank you for watching.